So my analogy for a plant cell is Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park is a 1993 American adventure science fiction film. I think this is a good relationship because Jurassic Park is both memorable and iconic. The cell wall. The cell wall envelops the outside of the cell. It technically is not part of the cell, but it still provides protection and structural support. This is just like the island of Isla Sorna, which is the island where the dinosaurs are. The surrounding water and land provides protection and structure, but it technically is not part of the park itself. Next, it's the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane surrounds the cell but is underneath the cell wall. The purpose is to allow things to go in and out of the cell. This means that it's semi-permeable. It is made up of a phospholipid bilayer. This is just like the gates of Jurassic Park. The gates allow people to go in and out, but only certain people can go in and out. So this is the nucleus. Its main function is to store DNA. This is like the amber found in Jurassic Park, because the mosquito within the amber stores the DNA to create the dinosaurs. So these are the ribosomes. The ribosomes use the DNA to make proteins. This is just like the scientists in Jurassic Park. The scientists use the DNA found in the mosquito to create dinosaurs. The function of the rough ER is to package and modify proteins. This is like the workers at Jurassic Park who have to transport the dinosaurs around the park as well as change them. The vesicle is the protein's main form of transport. It makes it able to be transported around the cell. This is like the cages that are used to transport the dinosaurs around the park. The Golgi body's function is to package proteins. This is similar to the rough ER, but this is mainly used for exportation out of the cell. These are like the trucks that carry the dinosaurs onto ships to leave the island. The large central vacuole function is mainly for structural support, but it can be also used as storage and to store waste products. In Jurassic Park, this is like the center building. It hosts guests. The smooth ER, located near the rough endoplasmic reticulum, is mainly used for lipid reduction and steroid hormone production. This is like the food courts or food buildings in Jurassic Park that produce food for the guests. The chloroplast function is to undergo photosynthesis. This is so it can create energy. These are like the merchandise stores found in Jurassic Park, where the customers buy the merchandise and produce money for the park. The mitochondria's main function is to produce energy for the cell. These are like the power stations that can be found on Jurassic Park, to power the electrical fences to keep the dinosaurs in their cages. Finally, we have the lysosome. It contains digestive enzymes used to break down the cell if need be, or other material. This is like Dennis Nedry, a programmer at Jurassic Park who is responsible for the events that occurred there.